The idea of an assisted living community on Guam may become a reality sooner rather than later, as off-island investors are eager to invest about $30 million into the construction. American Medical Center Dr. Vince Akamoto.
But I guess the big developing news is that because of our investment here in the local community, it looks like international investors are very interested in helping us to build the senior living center in the back 2 acres that we have yet remaining.
According to Dr. Akamoto, investors became more intrigued in the idea after seeing how quickly the American Medical Center in Manila is coming together. The plan is to build an assisted living community on the 2-acre private lot behind the new facility.
And so that means then that this vision of assisted living, bringing more senior care to Guam, especially on the same campus as a state-of-the-art medical center, may be becoming a reality sooner rather than later.
Akamoto says they have met with the legislature and the governor, and both are on board to make this happen. He adds now that investors are serious about investing in Guam, he hopes the community gets behind this endeavor and advocates to make this happen. The assisted living community will be built modeling it after assisted living communities in the United States mainland.
We're working with the national consultant for assisted living, trying to make sure that our ambitions don't overstrip our means. So we're looking at going out with 50 to 100 units designed by mainland senior care experts.
Akamoto says this will be done in conjunction with the off-island investors who have their demands on return of investment. He says currently investors are on island meeting with GIDA, the governor's office, and AMC. So who would qualify for the community? At this point, he says they are lobbying for Medicaid funding for senior care as it is done in Hawaii.
Right now, one of our colleagues, Mr. John Anderson, is meeting with local assisted living professionals in Hawaii to try to bring back those kind of resources to Guam.
He adds that Vice Speaker B.J. Cruz has already drafted legislation that begins that process, but will need the governor and the legislature to find a way to get Medicaid funds matched by the federal government so that senior citizens can use the facilities for free. Reporting for Guam's News Network, I'm Jolene Tovis.